a choice between this level and the next level, take it to the next level. You wanna take things a level higher. This way you not only extend yourself and help yourself excel, but you also expose us to a whole nother level, a whole nother way of doing things that helps us improve ourselves. Daydreaming on my next step, thinking on my next life, on the cusp of the future and past, about to get right, get left. If you're negative and throw me off, I'm weighing out the pros and cons, the profit loss. I laws on my team, I'm living the proper laws. Jeopardize mine, cutting you off at all costs. Looking for the next opportunity to get up on. I've been knocked down, but this time coming in more strong. You can see it in my arms, built from the dojo. Unfettered mind like I'm Taekwondo Soho. Move like water, find me, you find life. All sporter, I'm what you need in the fourth quarter. Recorders catchable Ouroboros. Auras from my soul's corpus seem more vivid than an aurora. You deal with the Everest, I'm on Olympus. Minds wearing Saturn rings on my fingers, measuring hexagons. Daydreaming takes my mind to the echelon. Drop science on the mic or a seminar. Who I play for, I'm putting the number 7 on. If you're ready to build a shore, we can get it on. Get it on. Take it to the next level. Get it on. Yo, take it to the next level. What you gotta do? Yo, take it to the next level. What are you gonna do? Yo, take it to the next level. Tell your homeboy, take it to the next level. And tell your homegirl, yo, take it to the next level. Next generation, yo, take it to the next level. When the doubt, we gon' take it to the next level. What you gonna do? Yo, take it to the next level. You make it stay in one stance moves, I'm making plant moves. Growing up from the blackness of fertile mind, my skull's a pot, cultivating seeds of divine. You don't see with your eyes, although the thought's typical. You see through the back of your brain and the occipital. Hard to realize, but I realize two rails like cinema film, showing the film live. Feel rich or die trying to get rich. Do I need the heart of the human or the heart of the lion? Iron sharp as iron, look in the skies, I'm in perfect alignment like Egypt in the belt of Orion. D-I-O-N, on, not dying. My energy, you'll stay vibrant. Since that first breath, breathe into my sinus, and you can get a grip with that. If not, suffer your fate like rock climbing. I stay rising, the almond on the horizon, pulling you in the direction of my force like a comet. Send rhymes through the wires, end to end, send a message from one side to the other with no time in. You wanna shine, then you gotta get cut like a diamond and deal with the rigors of refinement. Word, so go ahead and climb. Take it to the next level. When in doubt, yo, take it to the next level. What you gotta do? Yo, take it to the next level. What are you gonna do? Yo, take it to the next level. Tell your homeboy, take it to the next level. And tell your homegirl, yo, take it to the next level. Next generation, yo, take it to the next level. When in doubt, we gon' take it to the next level. What you gonna do? Yo, take it to the next level.